So this is about Khan Academy. I see a lot of students in Gen Psych 1 aren't signed up yet, and I have students in other courses not signed up yet. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to sign up. So you saw I was here on the Blackboard page. I clicked this link and it brought me over here, and I'm going to actually create an account using a Google account that I don't usually use. So let me pull that up. Yep, and I am going to allow it. And you'll see, let's see, because I used an account, I don't need anything to come into my email, so I can close that. And you don't need, let's see, so let's start with choosing a coach. You could type in the letters from over here, P34UKY. P34UKY. Sometimes I forget to update it in the syllabus, so it's actually safest to use the one that's right there. So now you see my name listed as your coach, and you can look and you can see just me. Now you can go to your profile. It makes it a lot easier for me. I'm just going to say close. It makes it a lot easier for me if you have your name, and it sorts things by your first name, so that's what I need most. And then if you want, really I think Khan Academy is pretty safe, pretty secure, but if you want to show just the first initial of your last name, that's fine. Those of you who sign up with your Caldwell account, it's pretty easy for me to figure out who you are, but this still makes it just is easier on my eyes. And there's a few people who signed up with an email address and I don't really know who they are because their email address isn't really linked to them. And then the rest of the stuff, it's up to you if you want to fill out or not. And you can play with this. They don't let you upload your own, but if you want to choose a little thing, and you get more options the more that you do things around the website. And that's pretty much it. And then I would love to say that once you join my class, you just can go in and click and it'll show you everything you need to do. But that's not the case. That's not the way Khan Academy works. And it's a free software. It's a really good free software. So I don't worry too much about that. What you can do is you can download the schedule. This is also found in the syllabus. And you can see for each week, I've shown a checklist with links. And so you can click the first link. You can also just type the words in. My computer tends to take a little time to do that link. And on a Mac, you just click. If you're on a Microsoft Windows computer, you might have to hold the control button and click. So you can see it takes me to the video. The other thing you can do is you can search. So I can search overview of theories of development. And I hit enter, or you can pick it as it pops up, and you can see that you can watch it here. Sometimes you'll watch a whole bunch in a row, but you don't always watch all of them. So even if you see a bunch in a row, you might want to check. For example, Freud, we don't watch in this chapter because your book puts Freud's information under personality. And so we watch that video in the personality chapter. So just watch through, make sure that you are shown as having watched the whole thing, and you're good to go. If you, let's see, so as a review, you just click this link and you can sign in with it. You can create a new login, or I like to just use my Google account. Add me as a coach. If you don't have the code, you can also just add me like this. You can search my name, my email address, and you can see now I've joined. And you may notice later I'll move you so that you are in the correct class, which makes it easier for me when I go to give grades. And the place that you'll see, so when you look at your grades, you'll see like I have Khan Academy, and there's points out of 2, and you can see the average, so you can get a sense of how the class is doing as a whole. You can see a lot of people didn't have those videos done. And so usually it'll just kind of be a surprise, but for this time, because I want to really encourage people to actually do it, when you come, let me real quick declick everything that's not us. All right, that makes it a little easier to see. You can see down here that I actually put it on the calendar this time. So you'll see it's due by the end of the day. Really, it's due by class time, but I'll probably check it sometime either after class or on Tuesday. So you want to make sure that you are caught up and you have time, because we have 1 week of a test and then we have a week of President's Day. So you have a lot of time to get up to date before the next time it's shown. If you are in the other classes, then it may not be shown on your calendar. I'm going to just kind of upload one video to everyone because the same basic process holds. All right, thanks for watching.